Now let's talk about profiles in PowerShell. So what is a profile? It's like the file that has some specific variables and functions that you want to use in a some operation. Profile is used to load specific variables and functions for a specific terminal session. So what I mean by that is, um, let's say let's say I'm working on some projects where I need some functions regularly, and instead of redefining that again and again, I can create a file, and whenever I want to do and access those variable, I will access that profile and use those variable easily. So to do that in PowerShell, we can like create a profile using the new object, new item. The item type is file, and the name is profile, let's say. It says already exists, but if it does not exist, it will create that profile. So if I view the profile, um, profile profile, so this is the path of my profile. So now I can add some variable or something that I want to access whenever I want to do something. So let's edit this file. So once you open that, you will see nothing, but we can add something that we want to access when you are working on something. So let's say I am creating a variable. Let's say my profile where, oh, not like this, where, and let's say something related to this profile. Okay, this is the value. Now I will create a function. Let's say hello, and let's say it's not accepting any parameter, or let's say just write host something. Let's say hello world or hello dude, and if I save this, now we can exit out of here. Now we have generated or added something that I want to use regularly in that profile. So how would we access that profile and those variables and function? Now if, as you can see, if I like, we create a function over there, right? So if I view that again, we have a function and a file that is my profile underscore where, and say hello function. So if I call the say hello, as you can see, this is not recognized, and this doesn't exist. So how do we access that? To do that, we have talked about the dart sourcing, right? So we will dart source that file, and this will bring all the variables and functions that are in that file to the current session. So to do that, we will do like, if I type the profile variable, it has the path to the profile. That is my profile. So I will type dot and dollar profile in small case, and now I should be able to access those variables and methods. So if I call the method that is say hello, still, yeah, so as you can see, we have access to the method that was in that my profile file. So now we have a variable that is my underscore, or my underscore profile underscore var. As you can see, it's auto completed and the value is right here. So that's how you will use profiles, different profiles to for different operations, I mean. So now we have the all profiles. So if I type profile and then format list and force, this will display the available profiles files. So here we have all user, all hosts, custom user, all hosts. These are the different profiles that we can use, and here is our profile, that is custom user, currently host.